morning, welcome to another vlog, and today is actually my Friday. I have tomorrow off. I'm on my couch. As you can see, I need a little change of scenery sometimes, and I like to work on my couch by the fireplace. Not ready for breakfast yet, so I'm just drinking my coffee, and I'm gonna log in here and get to work. Those feta eggs that are viral on TikTok right now are really good, and adding that hot honey adds a lot. I know a lot of people add the chili onion crunch from Trader Joe's. I'm not a fan of that, mostly because I don't like really spicy things, but I might try it sometime on the feta eggs. I have made feta eggs before and I have failed many times. The trick to doing that is to cook the eggs low and slow. I would always try to cook them on like medium high heat. That's too much. You'll just burn the feta or the bottom of the egg. So I put it on like medium low. I cover them and they cook perfectly, and there's just a little bit of a crisp too, which is really good. And I had them on the almond flour tortillas. They're nothing special. I just wanted to get them because I saw one of my new favorite TikTokers is Bailey. I get a lot of my food ideas from her. You're gonna see over the next coming weeks some recipes that I use from her. I'll leave a link to her TikTok down below if you wanted to go check her out. It's getting a little late. It's almost 10:30 and I gotta take these dogs for a walk. We're not gonna go to the park today because the sidewalks are finally almost done and I can at least walk on them now. I was thirsty. So that walk was a little on the slow side. I don't know what's going on with Alfie today, but he was really dragging and I had to practically drag him for parts of the walk because he wasn't walking. I don't know if he's sore or what. He might not be able to go on my afternoon walk. It's about 11:15 now. I'm gonna do a little more work. Oh, and one more thing. I showed you guys that I was using the Macro Factor app. I've been using it for maybe a month or so now. I'm really liking it so far. I am not sure yet if I'm gonna completely switch over to that or not. I've been using both Macro Factor and Lose It. If you've been following me, you know that Lose It has been the app that I have used for the past few years. And Macro Factor is a little more expensive than Lose It. I'm not sure yet which one I like better. I'm leaning towards Macro Factor right now, but the price point is not what I like. I'm hoping they come up with like a Black Friday deal, which is what I got for my Lose It. I got like a lifetime membership for really cheap on a Black Friday one year. We'll see, because we all know prices are going up like crazy and our wages are not. So I did a super easy meal prep this week and I got the Sam's Club pre-made meals. I got these buffalo style chicken wraps, and then I also got some, I'll have these for dinner, but these stuffed peppers, and they're both actually really good. I like to put the pinwheels or the wraps into the air fryer for a few minutes. I feel like they're a little better when you warm them up. So I'm gonna have that for lunch. I'm also going to have the Taylor Farms Kickin' Buffalo Ranch chopped salad on the side. Protein bars are so good. I have not found a flavor that I don't like. I have been obsessed with them lately. I know that they're probably not the healthiest either, but all right, we are going to go out for a walk. I have to leave poor Alfie here because I did notice he is limping a little bit, so I'm not gonna force him to go on a walk. He's gonna get a rest for at least this afternoon. We'll see how he does tomorrow. So it's just me and Lou tuna like the good old days. Walk will be about a mile long, a little over a mile, so that I can get 2.25 miles. It's actually a beautiful fall day out right now, like quintessential fall. It's like 60 degrees, sun just popping out of the clouds. It's been cloudy all day, but it finally came out. In the winter time, it's easy to forget. So if you remember in the last couple of vlogs, I mentioned that I am doing Kathy Friedrich's STS 2.0 program. I finished phase 1 and this week I moved into phase 2. There are 2 upper body workouts and 2 lower body workouts every week. So there's 2 different upper body and 2 different lower body DVDs. As you can see, last week was supposed to be an active rest week and I was supposed to throw in some easier cardio and light strength training workouts in there, and I didn't do anything. But that's okay, I needed the rest and I did all my walking workouts with the exception of like 1 or 2 days in there because it was raining. I'm still a little sore from the upper body workout on Monday and also the lower body workout on Tuesday. I'm excited to see what today's workout is.
I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flight to get up here. With love is charging, I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Rewind my circuits, but you don't get that courage, 'cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a puzzle. I got you so bumfuzzled, 'cause you can fall into my pain.
Okay, that was a tough workout. Not as tough as the first workout, I will say that, but it was still tough. I feel like I got a really good workout in. Now I need to get a little more water because I'm going to do the cardio workout now, 20-minute workout, and then I'll be done.
Love is charging, I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground.
Oh man, that was a sweaty workout. It was just an intermediate step, so it wasn't super difficult or like challenging. I just needed to get some cardio in after the weight workout today, and I did it. Long workout day. It's almost 7 now. It's late. I want to hurry up and eat, and I want to get in the bath because I need a bath after those tough workouts. Alright, like I said, I took it easy on myself this week and I have these easy meals from Sam's Club that I didn't have to meal prep. All I have to do is heat them up. I did put this in the oven on, I think it was Tuesday, to fully cook it, and now as I go throughout the week, I just heat it in the microwave. Alright, So let's fill out this habit tracker. I did get way over my goal of 7,500 steps. I cooked and ate at home today. I ate less than 1,600 calories. I did drink 40 ounces of water. I think I drank more than that actually. I got 80 grams of protein. I did not intermittent fast. I ate a little late last night. I have not been doing so good with the intermittent fasting the last week or so. I gotta get on that. And then I did walk 2.25 miles. These stuffed peppers are so good. I was really surprised. I was thinking I was not gonna like these. If you have a membership at Sam's Club, you should get them. I actually just got a membership at Sam's Club. I had always thought I didn't really need one because I live alone and there's really no need for it. But a lot of the stuff that I buy lately, it's a lot cheaper at Sam's Club. Like the Premier Protein is a lot cheaper. The protein bars that I buy and a lot of other things that I can buy in bulk are just cheaper. And plus it was like a 50% off deal for the membership. I took the deal and we'll see for the year if it's worth it or not. The Sam's Club hack I got off of TikTok, they have like this whole section of prepared foods. There's like a thing of chicken breasts cooked already. Put them in your meal preps for the week. They have like potatoes, twice baked potatoes, pasta, all sorts of things. So I definitely am going to take advantage of that when I am having one of those weeks where I just don't feel like prepping or I don't have a lot of time. This really worked out for me this week and it saved me this week. Next week though, I am not going to do this. I am going to probably tomorrow figure out what I am going to prep. I'm gonna get on TikTok. That's where I've been getting a lot of my ideas lately, just because I've been wanting different things than what I normally eat.